Like, yeah, take a video.
Yeah.
Wow,
Maybe I'll
such a
try to put them
matchmaker.
on video so I don't have to.
Oh, okay. I thought you were taking a picture.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Yes. So
Doesn't wanna.
Just tried one. Oh, he's so furry.
Well, like, don't let them give it to you the ID. Like,
you know how it works.
We shouldn't touch it, right?
Definitely not if you've got any hand sanitizer. Come here and gather, please.
Oh god.
delicious.
Don't worry.
What was the last one?
It's a video.
Okay, come on, guys, pull. Okay, got one out.
Well, you know it's a microbe, so.
Like this gets most of its moisture from precipitation, but then it doesn't really dry out because the humidity remains high. Or I could say, what order is it 99% of the time? And
That's my hand.
Achilles would be the correct answer.
I want to go in it. How do you?
I want to go in. Then go in.
Well, everyone's in my way.
This is pretty great. You turn it over and they'll have gills, just like a regular mushroom, but gills.
It has these nice long things. Trying to defend it.
She's gleaning sweat from my elbow. And so when they drop down your shirt, right, you don't want to be standing underneath them.
I don't want that to happen. They're going up to drop down.
That's so cool. Exactly.
15. Holy smokes.
They're mandibles. Yeah. They're mandibles. So they have big, strong mandibles. We'll collect one and look at. They're amazing to look at under the.
I don't have any medium size. I only have like a big one.
Oh, it's a cool looking one. Look at all these chickens. I don't have my binoculars. I can't see the humans. Sit on this branch. You'll see them better.
Nice little.
Oh, they fly.
No, it's not.
No, it looks like a fish fly.
Oh.
It's a light too, the lights are. Poor little thing. It wants to be in the dark because it's expecting dark. It's alright. So easy.
Yeah.
I want to try, but
I really don't think I can. Usually I'm like between like 15,000 and 20,000. I just.
Yes, very interesting.
Jelly ones don't
Taking so many.
Many of the trees that we see right around here are in fact planted.
I'm just taking a video of you.
No pressure.
Oh my god, I think my...